Hello dear students, today we are discussing Coulomb's law, which is a very important law in electrostatics. We know that if we place two charges and if the two charges are one is positive and another one is negative, we know that there will be a force of attraction between them. Because in smaller classes we already learned that unlike charges attracts. And if the both charges are positively charged, or if the both charges are negatively charged, we know like charges always repulse. So if both are positive charges, there will be a force of repulsion between them, and if both are negative charges also, there will be a force of repulsion between them. We know this rule, but we don't know what is the magnitude of force of attraction or force of repulsion between them. So what Coulomb's law does is, Coulomb's law gives us the magnitude of the force acting between two charges. So when we discuss about Coulomb's law, we have some assumptions. Based on that, we are predicting the force between two charges. The first thing is that the charges should be point charges, and the distance of separation between them should be very short. And the important another thing is that the charges should be placed on vacuum or space. That means there should not be any other charges to interact with two charges which we are considering. That means the charges are situated in vacuum or space. So we are considering two charges, Q1 and Q2, which is placed in vacuum. Q1 and Q2 are point charges. Both are separated by a distance r. According to Coulomb's law, the electrostatic force between the charges Q1 and Q2 is directly proportional to the product of the charges. So Q1, Q2, and the electrostatic force is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. So the definition of Coulomb's law is that the electrostatic force between two point charges is directly proportional to the product of the charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. So that is the definition of Coulomb's law. But here there is a proportionality sign. We have to replace the proportionality sign with equality sign. We know if you want to replace a proportionality sign with equality sign, definitely we need to multiply with a constant. So here also we are multiplying with a constant. So the equation will become Fe is equal to a constant K into Q1 Q2 divided by R square. And this constant K is given as 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0, where epsilon is a constant called permittivity of free space. And its value is given by 8.854 into 10 to the power minus 12 Coulomb square, Newton raised to minus 1, meter raised to minus 1. So we can rewrite the equation of Coulomb's law as electrostatic force Fe is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 divided by R square. And the value of 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0, the constant, is estimated as 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton, meter raised to minus 2, Coulomb raised to